The BYD Seagull electric hatchback has been named one of the best inventions of 2025 by American magazine Time. The compact electric car was previously named one of the best cars in the world at the World Car of the Year Awards. We explore why experts rated the Seagull so highly. As a reminder, Time is not just another media outlet with a dubious reputation. The magazine's first publications began in New York City in 1923. Since then, it has been published continuously every week for over a century. Today, Time has grown from a classic paper publication into a major information portal with an audience of over 51 million. The BYD Seagull, known in some foreign markets as the Dolphin Mini and Dolphin Surf, is the entry-level model in the lineup of China's largest automaker. Priced at 73,800 yuan, 830,000 rubles, at launch. Its entry-level version offers a 30 kilowatt-hour battery, a 75 horsepower electric motor, and a range of 305 kilometers. Time representatives noted that the global market demands precisely these small electric vehicles. This is precisely why the Seagull's total production has reached 1 million units. Furthermore, the car has entered the markets of many countries, including 15 European ones. The warm reception the model has received from customers indicates its demand and high technical characteristics. Interestingly, the only other car on the invention list, besides the Seagull, is the new BMW 9/3. Let me introduce you to the BYD Seagull. The exact dimensions of the BYD Seagull are 3,780 by 1,715 by 1,540 millimeters with a wheelbase of 2,500 millimeters. The Seagull is powered by a 75 horsepower front-wheel electric motor. The city car has a choice of two batteries, 30, 08 and 38, 88 kilowatt hours. The range is between 305 and 405 kilometers. The BYD Seagull's interior is available in two color combinations, blue-green and blue-orange. A 10.1-inch rotating monitor is installed on the hatchback center console. A 7-inch digital instrument cluster is located behind the steering wheel. Other interior features include wireless phone charging, power front seats, and 4 speakers. Some features of the BYD Seagull trim levels: Vitality, 15-inch steel wheels; Freedom, 16-inch alloy wheels; Improved multimedia system; Flying, 38, 88 kilowatt-hour battery; LED headlights; liquid battery cooling; Smart driving, 12, 8-inch screen; integrated dashcam; additional driver assistance systems. The current price of the BYD Seagull in China is 69,800 to 85,800 yuan, $9, 8K-$12K. In China, 246,100 people owned this electric hatchback in the first 9 months of 2025. In terms of sales, it trailed the Geely Xingyuan, Tesla Model Y, Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, and BYD Qing Plus.